Croeso I cwrs Busnes Level 3 yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Yn y fideo yma, byddwch yn cael fwy o wybodaeth am y cwrs, unedau a sut mae'r dysgu yn cael ei asesu. Fydd y cwrs yn cael ei ddysgu gan Mr Roger Beach ac hefyd Mrs Melanie Gunderson.
Young people taking their first steps towards a new career need the right blend of technical and academic skills in order to become the highly skilled, work-ready individuals employers and universities look for. BTECs have been developed in collaboration with over 5,000 universities, employers and professional bodies, with employability at the heart, so learners can develop the skills and confidence they will need to step into their future.
Hi, I'm Peter Jones. At the Peter Jones Enterprise Academy, we know how important it is for young, ambitious people to get the right education in order to kickstart their careers. With today's employers demanding so much more than just a certificate, here are my top 5 reasons why I choose BTEC. Number 1 is Readiness. BTEC courses give you real hands-on experience in your chosen vocation. It's what I call learning by doing and means you'll be genuinely job ready. Number 2 is Employability. If you're job ready, you'll be sought after. BTEC helps students get the skills that today's employers are looking for. Number 3 is Standout. As more employers like me expect new recruits to have vocational skills and academic knowledge, a BTEC makes your CV stand out. Number 4 is Relevance. BTEC courses are designed with the help of teachers, employers and universities. This keeps the BTEC curriculum relevant for today's job market. And finally, number 5 is Reputation. BTEC is considered the gold standard of vocational learning, and that's the qualification you should have on your CV. That's why I set up the Peter Jones Enterprise Academy, and that's why I choose BTEC.
%37% of businesses prefer recruits to hold a mix of academic and vocational qualifications. 4 out of 5 BTEC students go on to receive a first or second class degree. In Year 12, students will study 2 units. Unit 1, Exploring Business. Learners will study the purpose of different businesses, their structure, the effect of the external environment and how they need to be dynamic and innovative to survive. This is a coursework-based unit. Unit 2, Developing a Marketing Campaign. Learners will gain skills relating to and understanding of how a marketing campaign is developed. This is a controlled assessment undertaken in the classroom over 3 hours. In Year 13, students will study 2 more units. Unit 3, Personal and Business Finance. This is an externally assessed unit. Learners will study the purpose and importance of personal and business finance. They will develop the skills and knowledge needed to understand, analyse and prepare financial information. The final unit is an optional unit where students will get to choose from recruitment and selection process, investigating customer service, market research, the English legal system or work experience in business. Assessment and grading. Assessment is done via 2 pieces of coursework, 1 external exam and 1 controlled assessment. Learners will receive a pass, merit, distinction or distinction star for their work. The pass is the equivalent to an E grade, the merit is the equivalent to a C grade, a distinction A grade and distinction star is an A star.
Mae'r gwaith yn cael ei chwblhau yn ystafelloedd cyfrifiaduron. Rydym yn defnyddio Google Classroom, Google Drive ac wrth gwrs wedi bod yn ffrydio byw. Mae'r lefel o'r gwaith yn uchelgeisiol a byddwch yn defnyddio eich sgiliau iaith, mathemateg a cyfrifiaduron.
Nes I astudio y cwrs busnes yn Chweched Dosbarth yma yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Busnes oedd un o fy hoff bynciau I, a mae'r sgiliau dwi wedi dysgu wrth wneud y cwrs yn sicr wedi helpu yn fy ngyrfa I. Yn fuan ar ôl gadael Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy, nes I ddechrau busnes fy hun yn dylunio gwefannau. Ac roeddwn i'n gwneud hynny yn llawn amser am sawl blwyddyn cyn dod at wleidyddiaeth. Ac erbyn hyn, ers yr etholiad yn 2017, dwi'n cynrychioli pobl Llanrwst ar gyngor Sir Conwy. Mae'r cwrs busnes yn un da i ddysgu am sut mae'r byd go iawn yn gweithio, yn naturiol, wrth gwrs, sy'n berthnasol i'r byd busnes, ond mae'r cwrs llawer iawn ehangach na hynny hefyd. Mae'r sgiliau mae rhywun yn meithrin wrth astudio'r cwrs yn berthnasol iawn i ystodeuon o swyddi a gyrfaoedd gwahanol, ac yn sicr yn berthnasol i unrhyw un sy'n bwriadu mynd i'r brifysgol. Yn rhan o'r cwrs, ti'n dod i dysgu sut mae gwahanol busnesau'n cael ei reoli, sut mae marchnata, cynnyrch neu gwasanaeth, a ti'n dod i dysgu am gyllidebau ar economi a llawer iawn mwy na hynny hefyd. Mae'r cwrs busnes yn bendant wedi agor lot o ddrysau i mi ym fy ngwaith, nid yn unig o ddysgu sut mae busnes yn gweithio, ond hefyd dysgu am berthynas busnes gyda'r wladwriaeth, pe bai hynny yn lleol yma i Gonwy, yn genedlaethol yma yng Nghymru neu yn fyd-eang. Ond yn sicr, mae'r cwrs yma werth i wneud.
Mae cwrs busnes gallu agor gymaint o ddrysau, cyfleoedd ac opsiynau iddo chi, fel sydd ar y sleid yma ac mwy. Mae disgyblion gorffennol wedi mynd ymlaen i swyddi, prifysgolion yn Cymru a Lloegr ac hefyd apprentisiaeth. Year 12. You're hired!